channel. Wait a second, did you feel that? I was actually energetic in this video, unlike my vlog last week. Who knew? Anyways, so today I did this brown and gold eye makeup tutorial, and I paired it with this cute brown lip. It's like really dark and I feel like really daring, but you know, if you're like don't want to wear a dark lipstick, you could always just pair it with a nude lip or something like that, you know. But if you guys want to learn how to do this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, I finished my concealer, my foundation, and my brows. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting into my contour. And again, this is like a fall, like a full face kind of look. Okay, so I'm gonna be getting out my Ulta Beauty Cream Contour Kit. And
Toaster yeah?
I'm just gonna be getting a brush, which I did not get because I'm not prepared. Yay! Honestly, it wouldn't be a video if I wasn't prepared, because that seems to be all that I'm good at. Okay, now it's time to blend it out. Okay guys, next thing, it is time for powder, and I'm getting my Airspun loose face powder. Okay, this video might be absolute crap, but I am so responsible, I swear. Like, I am normally on top of things, but I have two cameras. I film my makeup tutorials. I have one down here where this camera is located, and I have one up there so you can see like my full face and stuff. But I did a vlog last video, and I charged the vlog video, but I forgot to charge my other battery. I thought it was full charged, but it wasn't, so my one camera died, so I had to switch the batteries. Now it's the same camera, I had to get a different battery, so now I can only use one camera to film this video. I swear, I am normally okay, actually that's a lie. That is a complete and utter lie. Also, my hair looks really bad while we're saying terrible things about me. My hair just looks like really greasy. It's fine. So, I'm just getting matte powder, and I'm just gonna be putting that underneath my eyes and right here. Okay guys, so now we are gonna be taking the chocolate gold Too Faced makeup palette. Like, if you guys saw the video where my dog picked out my makeup, you'll probably know the colors and stuff, or if you Google it, you'll probably also know the colors, but you know, this is what they look like. It's so glorious. I love Too Faced. So I'm going to be taking the color Chocolate Truffle, and I'm just going to be putting it on the crease. And then I'm going to be taking the color Decadent. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, I'm not smart. You are like legit just putting it on the crease. You're not gonna bring it up or anything. And then I'm taking my concealer, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer, and I'm just gonna be grabbing a flat brush, just a little bit, because you don't really need that much, and putting that on my eyelid. And you just really have to define where the crease is at so that it looks like this. I feel like you guys can't see me, but I'm like so scared. Now I'm gonna be taking another just flat brush like this, and I'm going to be dipping it into the color Famous right here, and I'm just gonna be putting that in the inner corner and dragging it out like halfway through. The next color I'm going to be taking is the color Old Money, and it's like it's almost like a bronze color, so that I'm going to be putting on the outer corner, and it's just going to be going halfway as well. Okay, and then I'm going to be taking one more color. It is going to be the color Gold Dipped, and I'm just going to be putting that on the inner corner of my eye. Like so. And now I'm going to be doing my under eyes. So for my under eyes, I'm going to be taking the color Decadent. It's black, and just putting that halfway underneath my eye. And then the rest of the way, I'm going to be doing the color Famous. And then now I'm just making like a little spongy like this. I'm taking the color Gold Dipped and putting that in the inner corner. Okay guys, I am going to be right back. I am just going to quickly do the other eye off camera. Okay guys, so I am back and I finished my other eye. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be taking my eyelashes. I'm going to be using the 120s. And you're grabbing up my glue. I'll wait for them to be tacky. Okay, so while I'm waiting for like the glue to like completely dry on my face, I'm going to be doing highlighter and my nose contour and blush. So I'm going to go back into my Ulta Beauty Cream Contour Kit, and I'm just going to be taking the color Medium Contour and putting that right on my nose. And then I'm going to be taking this, okay, so this is like a Revlon's Photo Ready Instant Fix highlighting stick, and this is in the color Gold Light, and I found it and I was like, why not? Because like we're doing this cute gold little look for fall, so let's just like do gold highlighter, you know? Oh wait, that actually is kind of sparkly. I mean, it's not the best shimmer. I'm not. Oh, actually, no way. Actually, oh. Oh. Okay, guys. So now that our glue has dried, I am going to be taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and putting it on my eyelashes just to like bring the false eyelashes and the fake eyelashes together. So normally I curl my lashes before I like put on mascara, but I can't find my eyelash curler, so we're just gonna skip that step. Again, I swear, I'm responsible. Yeah. So next I'm taking my Maybelline New York Studio Contour Kit. It's a Master Contour Kit. I'm taking the blush and just putting it on my cheek. Okay, brah, this is where this look is about to get daring. So I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte, and this is Naughty by Nature. It's like really dark, so I'm scared how it's gonna look. Like, look how dark that is. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. And I gotta say, I actually really like it. I think the lipstick could be a little bit daring, and if you're not ready to take that step, then that is totally fine. You could go with like a nude lip or something, but I don't know, I like it. I actually think it's really cute. I think it's perfect for fall, but yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any video requests, please comment them down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Remember, I post videos every single Friday. Bye!